Alright guys, welcome back to Off-Axis Builds. We're going to be putting some lights underneath the car. These are some 3/4 inch red lights. And I'll wire them in so you can actually see what they look like. So we're going to be putting these in that skid plate underneath the car. First things first, I got to pull that skid plate off, drill a series of 3/4 inch holes. I believe that's 3/4. I'll get a measurement on that. And then we'll mount these. And then what I plan on doing is doing all the pre-wiring to it and run it all back to the front. And then I'll just make the final connection later when I do all the wiring to the car. So remember guys to like, comment, subscribe. And I just want to thank all my current subscribers and thank all my new subscribers for joining me on this build. Stay tuned. We'll have quite a bit more videos to come. And let's get going on this one, guys. Also, I will have an Amazon link if you guys are interested in these lights for whatever reason, for your trailer, for your car, whatever. I'll have a link down below, so check that out if you're interested. It helps me out a little bit and just helps me keep going on this car. Alright guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and use these hole saws to get a center punch on each one of these, okay? I'm just going to eyeball it roughly, and all I'm doing is marking the center. Okay, just need a little mark because I'm actually going to drill through with another drill bit. Alright guys, so I got the holes drilled. Now I just got to stick the lights in there. And then run the wires. I think what I'm going to do is run the wires to the side, and then I'll just run them down so they stay out of the way of all the plumbing underneath the car. Alright, so I got the lights in there. Now let's just flip it over and start wiring these guys up. Like I said, I'm going to run them off to one side and just take them all the way down to the front of the car. And then I'll leave a pigtail coming off so I can tie it into the wiring harness of the car. And probably actually go to more of these lights. I'm not sure where I'm going to put them just yet, but we'll take a look at that when time comes. But in the meantime, I'm going to wire these all up in parallel, not series. Parallel means that each light will have a power going to it. And series means that the light power will go into here, come out of here, and go to the next one. Okay? I don't want to do that because with LEDs, the further down the line you get, the more dim they get. But if you run a power that goes all the way down to each one separately, they will all stay bright. So let's go ahead and start wiring these guys up. Electrical done. Now all that's left is flip it over, plug it into a battery, and see if they work. Let's go ahead and do that. I like the way it turned out. The only thing I have to watch out for is when I'm mounting it, that these all get pushed to one side so they don't hit the mounting holes. Let's flip it over. Loving it. Now let's get it back underneath the car and see what it looks like. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Off Axis Builds. I got that underglow light, accent lighting, whatever you want to call it. Got that stuff installed. I love the way it looks. Obviously guys, you cannot drive on the road with these lights on. They're meant for show or in a parking lot. Nothing more than that. You will get pulled over if you do put red or blue lights here in California. I don't know about green lights or yellow or any other color, but I'm assuming it's probably the same for all colors. Anyways, I love the way it looks. It goes great with the car. So basically I just put it on just for show. If I want to drive around on the road, I definitely can, but like I said, you will get pulled over for it. So thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. Remember guys, it's always built, not bought. See you on the next one, guys.